Welcome to Lesson 7, Around the House. Around the house. Bedroom. Bedroom. Bedroom is the room where we sleep, okay? Bedroom. This is bed. This is bed. Bed, pillow, the white thing on the bed, pillow. Pillow. This is the floor. Floor, floor. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. Lamp, lamp, lamp. Curtain, curtain, curtain. Window, window. Books, books, books. Bedside table. This is bedside table. Bedside table. Mat, mat. This yellow thing is mat. Mat. Bean bag. Bean bag. Bean bag. Toys. 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 Wardrobe. 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 Kitchen. Kitchen. Kitchen is the area in the house where we cook. In the kitchen, we have stove, stove, phone, phone, cabinets, cabinets, washing machine, washing machine, fridge, 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 chair. This is chair. The grandparents are sitting on a chair. Table, table. Clock, clock. Roof. The red thing you see here is roof, roof. The bathroom, bathroom. In the bathroom, we have shower. Shower is the area in the house where we wash our body, okay? Shower. Bathtub, bathtub. This is bathtub. You get in it. Before you do that, you fill it with water. Then you get in the tub and you wash your body. This is faucet, faucet. Light, light. Towel, towel. We use the towel to dry our body after we take shower or bath. This is sink. Sink is the area in the house where we brush our teeth, wash our face, or look at ourselves in the mirror. Okay, sink. Sink. We also wash our hands in the sink. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Toilet, toilet, toilet. Toilet paper, toilet paper. The living room. The living room is the area in the house where we spend most of our time. Okay, this is door, door, door. Doormat, doormat. Steps, steps. Side table, side table. Sofa, sofa. This red thing is called cushion, cushion, cushion. Potted plant, potted plant. Picture, picture. Bookcase, bookcase. Television, television.